Ôi giời ơi. Đấy. Ôi giời ơi. Ôi giời ơi. Đấy. Ôi giời ơi.
Thế cứ bỏ ra cho đi được. Bỏ tay, không khó đi nữa.
Ok.
Được.
Trời ơi. Is that new? Bao nhiêu cân?
Khổ lắm. Được rồi.
Ok. Trời ơi. Làm rất nhiều.
Vâng. Cảm ơn nhé.
Ok. Xin lỗi. Ok. Chúc mừng nhé. I don't think I was helping now. I think I was more like making a mess of it. But you got to try, haven't you? She's probably carrying about 50 kilos on there. Check it out. So I'm out on a bike ride today. So I'd take you to the villages, the countryside, and get to see the river as well. Maybe that way is a better view without the sun shining, but it's lovely around here. It's a lovely day as well. It's a winter as well. I'll be getting out on that river with my kayak either today or tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that video. Should be a good laugh. So I'm coming up to a house. There's a couple of dogs that are a bit excitable, so I might have to be on my toes in a second. Oh dear. God. Woo! No! They chased me the other day. Only just got away from them. Jesus.